Hey, what's up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the masking method in a different way. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so now say this is the footage which you want to edit, and if you want to edit only the face of the model, then what you need to do is you need to go to the effects panel, type in draw mask and drag the draw mask onto the filter. And then start drawing a mask over the face of the model. If you want to brighten up only the face of the model, then this is how you do it. Oh yes, just I forgot to mention this. Just let me disable the mask. And first you need to copy both the clips once more. Copy and then drag it over. And then I am enabling the mask. And I just hit the lower portion so that you guys can understand. So just play with the feather and the fall off, and then color grade the footage, like increase the exposure just a little bit, maybe the master exposure also, but not too much. And see, this is how we do it. This is the before and after, before and after, before, after. Okay, so let me play with the curves also. Maybe brighten up the shadows just a little more. Maybe a little more on that side and on this side. Okay, so this is pretty much the whole effect. Now what you must notice that you will see that when the whole footage is moving, the mask doesn't move with the whole video, right? So you need to keyframe the position also and go on frame by frame, and if there is any change in position of the model, then you can change the position of the mask as well, like this. Go to the next frame, keep on going to the next frame until the model moves. As in my video there is not much movement, but in your video there can be some movements and you need to go frame by frame to edit this portion. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching guys. This was a short tutorial, but a good one, because sometimes masking only a certain portion to brighten up that certain portion is a very important part. And if you want more such tutorials, then please visit my channel and make sure to like this video. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel because I want to reach 3000 subscribers really soon. So with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy signing out. Peace out.